Привет, друзья! Добро пожаловать на мой канал. С вами Раим. In this lesson we continue learning the Russian alphabet. Today we'll cover the next 11 letters. As before, we'll focus on pronunciation, how the letters behave in words, and common mistakes. So let's begin. Today's the first letter is K. K is pronounced like K in cat. It is a voiceless, hard consonant. Unlike English, Russian K is usually less aspirated. That means you don't strongly push air out. Examples: кот, книга, окно. And repeat after me. Кот, книга, окно. Good job. The next letter is L. Russian L is different from English. When it is hard, the tongue touches the teeth more firmly. It is stronger and firmer than the English L. Examples: лампа, лес, молоко. And repeat after me. Лампа, лес, молоко. Excellent. Be careful not to make it too soft unless the letter after it requires softness. The next letter is M. M is pronounced like M in mother. It is a voiced consonant. Examples: мама, мир, дом. So repeat after me. Мама, мир, дом. It is very similar to English. This one is easy. The next letter is N. N is pronounced like N in name. The tongue touches the teeth slightly more than in English. Examples: нос, новый, он. And repeat after me. Нос, новый, он. Excellent. The next letter is O. O is pronounced like O in mo when stressed. It is a clear, rounded vowel. When unstressed, it often sounds closer to A. Examples: дом, окно, молоко. And repeat after me. Дом, окно, молоко. Listen carefully to the stressed syllable. The next letter is P. P is pronounced like P in pen. It is voiceless. Like K, it is not strongly aspirated. Examples: папа, парк, stop. And repeat after me. Папа, парк, stop. Good job. The next letter is R. R is a rolled or tapped R. It is different from English R. The tip of the tongue touches the upper teeth ridge and vibrates. Examples: река, работа, мир. And repeat after me. Река, работа, мир. If this sound feels difficult, don't worry. It takes practice. The next letter is S. S is pronounced like S in sun. It is always voiceless. Examples: сок, свет, нос. And repeat after me. Сок, свет, нос. The next letter is T. T is pronounced like T in stop, not like in top. In Russian, it is less aspirated. The tongue touches the teeth more firmly. Examples: там, текст, кот. And repeat after me. Там, текст, том. Good job. The next letter is U. U is pronounced like U in foot. The lips are rounded. Examples: утро, ухо, мука. And repeat after me. Утро, ухо, мука. Keep the sound short and clear. And today's the last letter is F. F is pronounced like F in fun. Upper teeth lightly touch the lower lip. Examples: фильм, факт, кофе. And repeat after me. Фильм, факт, кофе. Excellent. And that's it for today. We've now covered 22 letters of the Russian alphabet. Only one more group remains. Keep practicing the sounds. Try reading the example words slowly and clearly. In the next lesson, we'll finish the alphabet. Спасибо за просмотр. До встречи в следующем видео. Пока.